Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a card for Labor Day using an easy method. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need some sturdy cardstock, perhaps 8.5 by 11 inches, along with scissors, glue, and a vibrant set of markers. Don't forget to pick out some fun decorative items like stickers or a sprinkle of glitter to add that special touch. This simple craft is perfect for celebrating the day. Now that you have your supplies, let's create the card's foundation. Take your cardstock and carefully fold it in half, ensuring the edges align perfectly. This forms your card base. Next, it's time to get creative. Lightly sketch a design on the front. Consider images like a hammer, a wrench, or simply the words "thank you" in a bold font. Remember to use bright, cheerful colors to bring your design to life. With your main design in place, let's add some delightful embellishments. From your colored paper, carefully cut out small shapes such as gears, stars, or even miniature tools. These details will add depth and interest. Now, use your glue to attach these cutouts to your card, creating a lovely layered effect. For an extra festive touch, consider adding a sprinkle of glitter or a few well-placed stickers. These small additions make a big difference. Finally, it's time to personalize your creation. Open your card and write a sincere message inside, expressing gratitude for the hard work and dedication of workers. This personal touch makes the card truly meaningful. Before closing it, ensure all the glue has completely dried to prevent any sticking. Once dry, your beautiful, handmade Labor Day card is ready to be given to someone special. They will surely appreciate your thoughtful effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.